It was a beautiful summer day when a little puppy with broken paws and a cast found himself abandoned in the middle of a busy street. He looked around, confused and scared, and saw that people were walking by him without even glancing in his direction. The puppy tried to stand up and walk, but the pain in his paws was too much for him to handle. He yelped out for help, but no one seemed to hear him. He felt a sinking feeling in his stomach and wondered if he would ever find a way out of this situation. Hours passed, and the puppy's situation grew more dire. He was hungry and thirsty, and his paws hurt more and more with every passing minute. But just when he thought all hope was lost, a kind stranger noticed him lying in the street and rushed to his side. The stranger carefully picked up the puppy and took him to a nearby animal hospital. There, the staff examined him and found that his paws were badly broken, likely from a hit-and-run accident. They also noticed that he was severely dehydrated and malnourished. Despite the odds stacked against him, the puppy never lost hope. He was a fighter, and he knew that he had to keep going. The veterinary staff worked tirelessly to heal his paws, and they gave him plenty of food and water to help him regain his strength. As the days passed, the puppy's condition improved little by little. His paws began to heal, and he started to gain weight. The staff fell in love with him, and they gave him a name Lucky, because they believed that he was lucky to have survived such a terrible ordeal.